Want to learn how to make money with InVideo AI? In this video, we will show you how to join the InVideo AI affiliate program in 3 easy steps. Let's get started with the InVideo AI affiliate program. First things first, head over to InVideo's website. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Affiliate Program. Next, sign up with your email and set up your account. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll get a unique referral link. Share this link with your audience on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Every time someone signs up using your link, you earn a commission. The more sign-ups, the more you earn. Don't forget to check your dashboard regularly. It shows your earnings and clicks in real time. And here's a pro tip. Create engaging content about InVideo's features. The better your content, the more likely your audience will click your link. So, what are you waiting for? Start sharing and start earning with InVideo AI's affiliate program today.